On Monday, August 17th, I was scrolling through Facebook when I saw this post. I knew we had to help, so we got a team member on the scene as soon as possible. Brownie was living on a construction site where a team of construction men had been occasionally feeding him and grew a bond with him.
Brownie? Opo, andito ba siya? Brownie! Come here! Hi! We love... Hala, mukha kang may distemper.
We were worried he may have distemper, but it was clear he was a sweetheart. Because Brownie was already familiar with the people on site, they offered to assist us in rescuing him. We loaded him into the car and brought him to the vet right away. The vet confirmed he was in bad shape. He was in desperate need of a blood transfusion, and his kidneys were failing. After just a few days, we took him back to our team member Joanne's house. His spirits were low, but with love and support, we had faith he could recover.
Brownie! Brownie! Look at me. Look at me. Oh, go up.
Luckily, he still had a fighting chance. We decided to rename Brownie to Chance because we wanted him to have a second chance at life. The honest truth is that we don't know if Chance will make it, but we know we need to try. After struggling to survive on the streets for so long, we discovered that unfortunately both of his kidneys and lungs are failing. The rest is really up to Chance. Regardless, what's most important is that Chance gets to experience what it means to be loved after being alone for so long.